we always keep our rope organized. We don't want any half hitches like this on our arm. If that went through, and came tight, I could be dragged across the pasture. Next thing you know, my left arm would be about 3 feet longer than my right arm. That looked pretty silly. So he sees me doing these things and he said, well, what do I think he's up to? So I'm always trying to keep my coils and my rope organized. And always organized here, and always ready for anything that might happen. Now I'm going to do this, see if I can get his eye. With mine. He's not sure what I want. It's all right. I'm walking towards the rear here. The hindquarters are going away. If he could get in trouble, I can do this and go. And I'm ready. But then I'm ready to support the horse. But every time I get a chance, I want to make sure he's all right.